So this XAUUSD analysis for Friday the 24th of August. Now let's just have a look on prices. Where prices may likely go. So if we had this continuation here, well, we've had a brief counter trend move here to the upside. We did see price beyond the 1200, from which we've had a breakdown retest, seen the continuation here to the downside, bring us through 200 period moving average, brief consolidation above, broke down towards the 1184, brief bullish bounce towards that 200 period moving average, and we'll see if at present if we can continue to hold above this 1185 essentially for that continuation to the upside. More recently, however, the structure has had a bearish direction to it. We have our highs, had a series of lower highs. We've broke below the 200 period average. We're going for a retest. If we do fail, looking for that price head down towards 1180, successful break from which then look for price head down towards 1170, and if there is sufficient volatility, you may even see price head down towards 1164. If, however, we are able to hold above this 1184, our previous low is just here on the XAUUSD. If we can hold above this 1184 and this 200 period moving average, looking for a retest of that 1199, successful break from which we also should be aware of the fact that we do have an added confluence of the 400 period moving average in around 1199, which increases the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. But if we can break and hold at 1199, we're targeting that 1204.69, a successful break from which we then targeting that 1214.26 here on the XAUUSD. Now what we'll do is have a look here at the daily chart. So here on this daily chart, we can see here we've had a sharp acceleration of momentum to the downside down towards 1160, had a bullish bounce towards that 1200, and we've had a pullback at present, from which we are seeing a bit of buy side momentum come back into the market. So we are operating in shadow of a particularly bearish day. Yesterday we did close near our lows, fairly strong daily candle over the close range. So we may see a bullish bounce before seeing that continuation. Overall, the trend here on the daily chart has been to the downside. So we do have to be aware that if bearish momentum does act in line with the overall trend here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.